Imagine for a moment the power we hold. When we have a camera in our hands, we have the ability to freeze a single instant forever, transforming it into a cherished memory that can be relived time and time again. Through the lens, we can tell stories, evoke emotions, and capture the essence of the world around us. Photography is not just about snapping pictures. It is a gateway to a world of boundless possibilities. It is an outlet for self-expression, a language that transcends barriers and communicates without words. In this fast-paced world we live in, photography reminds us to appreciate the present moment. It forces us to slow down, to observe our surroundings with a fresh perspective, to find beauty in the ordinary. Whether it's the rays of sunlight, illuminating early morning landscapes, or the laughter shared between loved ones, photography allows us to savor these moments forever. But let us not forget the power of photography as a tool for change. Too, it has the power to influence, to drive important conversations, and shed light on social issues. Each photograph can become a catalyst for change, igniting conversations and inspiring action. In a world where the pressures of perfection weigh heavily on us, photography serves as a reminder of the raw, unfiltered beauty that exists within each of us. It challenges us to find beauty in imperfections, both in ourselves and in the world around us. Photography, much like life itself, is a journey of discovery. It encourages us to step outside our comfort zones, to explore new perspectives, and to seek out the extraordinary in the seemingly ordinary. By venturing into the unknown, we unveil the hidden treasures that await us. As we gather here today, let us embrace the transformative power of photography. Let us challenge ourselves to capture moments that make us feel alive and ignite our passion. Let us use our creativity to touch the hearts and minds of others, sparking curiosity and fostering a deeper understanding of the world we inhabit. Take this time to uncover your unique vision and allow your creativity to flourish. Pick up your camera and explore the world through its lens. Capture the moments that resonate with you, that make your heart skip a beat, and that have the potential to change lives. Remember, with photography, the possibilities are endless, and we are all capable of creating stunning visual stories that leave an indelible mark. So, my friends, let us embark on this adventure together, celebrating the beauty, power, and joy that photography brings into our lives.